Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Nassrins and today I'm going to show you the absolute very best way to cut hardy backer. It's called a Snapper Shear Pro. It runs about $100 and it fits any drill. Let me show you. Just tighten it on and it's ready to go. It cuts 1/4 to 1/2 inch cement board, and I love it because it cuts fast and with very little dust, so you can cut inside. And you can turn the handle for if you're left or right-handed. Just unscrew it and then turn it and then tighten it up. What we got here is a 1/4 inch piece of hardy backer, and right now I'm going to show you how easily it cuts through it. Look at that cut. It cuts so fast, so easy, and with very little dust. Let's say we need to cut a corner. Perfect corner. Or how about an angle cut? Look at that, that's beautiful. Now we're gonna cut a circle. We're gonna get it started. And this is just a rough draft. If it was a real job, I'd take it more serious. A couple of these clamps are pretty handy to hold down the hardy backer, and I got them pretty cheap. They're only about $5 at Walmart. Look how little dust there is from the Snapper Shear Pro compared to these other tools. So what do you guys think? The cuts come out good, it's really easy to use, and there's hardly any dust. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Bye!